Assalamu alaikum. Today's update again, we will discuss a bit more today. One of the question asked by one of the viewer, I will try to answer for that as well. First, we will start with the overall the trend of the market today, then top gainers, top losers. This is one of the research which I did, and I thought to share with you people. There are a few other indicators from which you can take help before investing. Okay, let's start with overall. The market closed with 12,831.69 shares, negative 44.11. In terms of percentage, negative 0.34%. Top gainers was Tanmia. Percentage change increase was 5.13% in real for 4 per share. Harfi Foods closed with 57.30, change percentage 3.80, and in real 2.10. Al Ujain 64.50 closing, percentage change 3.37, and the change in real was 2.10. And Al Hamadi 44.95 closing, percentage change 3.10, and the change in real was 1.35 per share. Al Dawa it gained 3.09%, and in terms of real 2.30 per share, and closed with 676.80. Top losers were Petrochem closed with 45, percentage change negative 5.26%, in real 2.50. Saudi Investment Group 35.65 closing, percentage change 4.68, and per real 1.75. Fitness Time closed with 120, in terms of percentage 4.15, and per share 5.20. Wafra closed with 131.80, in terms of percentage 3.94%, and in terms of real 5.40. And BSFR closed with 51.50, 3.92 in terms of percentage, and 2.10 in terms of the real. One of the viewers asked that he has been allotted only 7 shares, and he is thinking to buy 243 more shares. This was the last 5 IPO analysis. The IPO price was 128, but it opened with 140. Scientific Medical IPO price was 52, it opened with 61.2. East Pipe 80, opened with 88. Al Munajim Foods 60, opened with 61.1. Tadawul Group 105, opened with 115.4. So you can say that the majority of the profit has been in this opening. Out of these 4, only 61.10, there was a slight increase of 1.10 in the opening. Remaining, there was a good increase at the time of the opening. So as per the analysis, you can earn. Obviously, after that the price appreciation can be there. But as far as the analysis is concerned, you can see what are the results. For the historical analysis, what I did is, these are the companies which I was looking for in previous, you can say, 2 months. So the other factor, before investing, you can check that whether in last 1 year what was the price variation in those shares. You can check the percentage. In addition to this, what revenue was earned that by that company, and what was the earning per share. So we will see one by one regarding. I have sorted out in terms of the percentage increase. Okay, and we will check one by one. Saudi Research Media and Marketing Group SRMG, Tadawul code is 4210. 52-week range means from today and 52 weeks before, you can say 1 year. Before 1 year the price was 76, and now 265.4. Now from where I got the data, this 231.61% increase was mentioned over there. What I did is I calculated my own, the difference between this 265 and 76. The answer was 189.4. in terms of percentage with respect to this base price, it was 249.21%. Revenue earned by that company in those 52 weeks was 2.74 billion, and earning per share 5.75 per share. Saudi Arabian Mining Company, also called Madin 1211, price was 52, after 1 year 131.80. Increase is 150.68%. Per share increase in 1 year 79.80, and as per our calculation 153.46%. Revenue earned is 26.77 billion and earning per share is 4.25. So for me, these two are the major factors for deciding to invest in a company. Sabic Agri Nutrients Company, code of 2020, 94.30, closed with 202.4. In terms of percentage, 88.91%. Increase was 108.1, and as per our calculation, the increase is 114.63. The revenue is 9.59 billion and the earning per share is 10.98 per share. Tourism Enterprise Company, TICO, 4170, started with 105.4, closed with 215.4. Percentage increase 94.55 as per the website. Increase or decrease is 109.97, and as per our calculation 104.31%. The revenue is 18.0 million and the earning per share is negative 3.05. Now why this is negative? Because the formula for the earning per share is basically the profit after tax divided by the number of outstanding shares. So this company was loss in that period, so there was a loss. So once a company that was in loss, if that you divide that loss divided by those outstanding shares, then the result will be in negative. But if you see the price appreciation, it started at 105 and reached to 215. So again, there are, as I have repeated so many times, there are different angles to just see the behavior of the share price, and it also depends upon the investor as well, whether you are a risk taker or a risk averter. The people who are the risk taker, they can just invest and they can just see this price variation they can earn. But the other people which are risk averter, they can say that okay, this EPS is in the minus, so I will not invest in this company. Saudi Industrial Group, code of 4140, 52 weeks back price was to 12.96. It reached to 410.32. On the website this price increase percentage was mentioned, but I think so that was not correct. Increase was 197.36 per share and overall increase was 92.67%. The revenue over there is also not mentioned, but EPS was mentioned and it's negative 5.151. This also means that this company is also in the losses. Industrial company for water and power, Aqua, 2082, 63.30, 118. Percentage was not mentioned. We calculated 54.7 per share increase, and in terms of percentage 86.41%. The revenue was 6.64 billion and EPS is 1.12. Suleiman Al Habib, 4013, started with 117, closed with 196. Increase mentioned is 53.18. We calculated 79. As per our calculation, price increase 67.52. Revenue is 7.25 billion and earning per share is 3.93. Musawat Medical Services Company, 4002, 136.2, closing 219.6. Percentage was not mentioned. That's not correct, I guess so, or it was around 51%. Increase is 83.4. Increase or decrease by our calculation 61.23. Revenue is 2.13 billion and EPS is 5.74. Al Sharqiya Development, price was 76, closing 119. Increase was 43. As per increase, the percentage is 56.58%, and revenue and the EPS is not mentioned over there. So the Electric Company, 5110, started with 21.06, closing 31 in a year, 21.27% increase as per website, 9.94 as per our calculation, 47.20. Revenue is 74.45 billion and the EPS is 2.97. Now there are two or three factors. Again, I'm repeating this thing. If you are going for a trading, your point of concern will be this increase or decrease and this percentage. But if you want to invest as a long term, as an investor, or you want to just look for the price appreciation plus the earning per share or the dividend, then these figures are important. In addition to this, I will try to consolidate or get the information that what these companies paid as a dividend in this tough period of time, so that this can be an additional tool or additional angle for the investment point of view. And that's it for today. I hope that I added some of the additional things in my analysis. If you have any questions, you can ask. Thank you.